everyone, today we have a Meta 3 Quest virtual reality kit here. So if you are familiar with the VR headsets, this is one that is absolutely phenomenal. The design and setup for this product is really super great. I apologize for the hat hair here. It is made to be very, very comfortable. It fits, you can adjust, it fits snugly and securely on the face. You can wear this for hours because of the comfortable design here, as well as the very comfortable head portion of the rest. You can choose how tight you want to put it with this Velcro here. As you can see, I have a very tiny head, and so I have to be able to adjust it to fit on my head, such as so. It does have the remotes here to be able to use, and all of this comes in a really super nice carrying case. So it all fits together really nicely. This hard shell case, very sleek, simple design, makes it really, really nice, keeps all of it together. It has this nice little port where your charging cable and stuff belong, as well as a simple place to keep the instructions. Keep them nice and comfortable and safe. Your goggles can fit either direction in the case. Makes it super easy. Zip it up. Really nice hard protection. Simple, sleek design to keep them in. Overall, virtual reality is something that is really, really cool to use, and it is one of my favorite products.